Hey everyone, Patrick and Yes, you're here with today's Wellness Bite. This one came courtesy of my wife, who reminded me of this one, and that is that I know I've talked in the past about lemon water, but if you want to spice up or add flavor to your water because you're having trouble drinking enough liquid and getting enough water, agua in your body, enough H2O. I get a lot of emails about that, questions about that, saying, I know I'm supposed to drink more water. I've heard your bites about it in the past, but I need to drink more. Lemon water is a great way to do it, so adding lemon to your water. Another one is infusing water with cucumbers. So slicing up some cucumber and either squeezing it into or putting it into your water, or getting just good quality, natural infused cucumber water. There's so many benefits to cucumbers. One being that they contain antioxidants, once again. So we've talked in the past about the overwhelming number of benefits that antioxidants provide. They also are rich in vitamin K, and are going to provide 20 to 25% of your vitamin K intake that you need to have. And we talked about how that helps vitamin D3 shuttle calcium into your bones. So it's good for bone health. It's good for all of the things that antioxidants are good for. So brain health, cardiovascular health. Also rich in vitamin B5, which helps with your skin health. And so that's a lot of times where when you go in to get a facial done, they'll put cucumber slices on your face. I'm an amateur on the topic, but my wife says it's true, so it must be. But I know I have seen that is true. But that is why, for those of you who've had that done, that's the reason why, because it has great skin health properties, and also can help with inflammation of the skin. So it not only does it have all those health benefits, it gives flavor to your water, so that instead of reaching for pop soda, a carbonated beverage that contains a lot of sugar and other chemicals, it's just cucumber juice. It tastes good, smells good, and it spices up your water drinking. If you find yourself getting value from these videos, I encourage you to like them, share them, comment on them, share them with your friends and family. If you're ready to take your next step into your journey of wellness and take your wellness and weight loss journey to the next level, shoot me a private message if you're watching this on Facebook, or if you're watching it on YouTube, click the link in the description. Message me personally, and we'll set up your roadmap strategy session, 30-minute complimentary strategy session where we'll build your roadmap step by step to better health and the weight loss goals that you have, making them a reality. Speaking of which, my wife will be an honorary guest on Monday on our Wellness Bite to tell her story of how our lifestyle wellness program has changed her life. Some of you have been watching her story on Facebook. We're going to get into the nitty-gritty, dirty details of how that happened, and she's going to tell all. I'm Patrick Engasser. That's today's Wellness Bite. And remember, the best way to change your wellness for the better is the exact same way you would eat an elephant. I know, I'm sorry for the elephant. And that would be one bite at a time. I believe in you. As I say every day, it's time you believe in yourself and start drinking more water with cucumber in it. I will talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.